Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by packing only essentials and validating each item. This saves time and prevents mid-flight failures. Attach your lightweight camera to the foam payload, secure with zip ties, and mount the GPS tracker so it has clear sky view. These steps ensure recovery and image capture. Once done, power your camera, set interval or video mode, and run a short ground test. This confirms exposure, focus, and battery life so you don't discover problems 30 km up. You let the balloon ascend while monitoring GPS telemetry. Keeping an eye on altitude and rotation matters because stable orientation yields usable frames. If rotation appears, slow down capture by increasing interval or switch to video to extract a steady frame later. Make sure to balance the payload before launch so the camera faces the desired direction. Small fins or asymmetric foam reduce tumble. Once near maximum altitude, trigger a higher frame rate burst or save continuous. You recover the payload using the GPS coordinates and pack the media immediately to prevent damage. Quick retrieval preserves image quality and batteries. Transfer files and scan for the best frames, and if photos are blurred, extract stills from high frame rate video where motion blur is reduced. If the tracker didn't update, make sure to check the last logged position and predict the descent drift using wind data. That one troubleshooting tip often solves lost payload scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.